subscribe button.
Okay.
Hey guys, so we're gonna do the massive wave pool today, and I'll be holding the camera. So Kai is gonna make the wave pool.
Ew! Wait a second, I gotta turn this up. I'm too dumb to turn it now. Okay, there we go.
By the way, guys, this wave pool is huge. If you can't see it too good on camera, I'm gonna show you for real.
I almost fell in! Dude, get it up! Get it up! Go on, see your wave!
And we're not in the pool today because it's like 60 degrees out, so it's not hot out for it. So yeah, keep with the pool.
Now look at this wave pool. One day,
It's so big, guys.
one day, I promise, we will go in here and I'll have like Tiago or something, like make a big wave pool like this. And it'll be super cool. So make sure to subscribe to get that video. Before I break my leg.
Yeah, this is so tiring, guys. I mean, look what we're doing with our legs.
Yeah. Okay,
There's my hands in the camera. My leg is about to break in half.
mine too.
Make it strong. Keep this pool like you never did. We're gonna end the video there, guys. If you haven't subscribed right now and enter.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe to Tiago's Adventures
Yes,
to have a fun time. Goodbye.
there's some nice videos on there, so I bet you want to check them out. Bye.